Huh? The fuck? Okay, fine, I'll do it. Let's make some pancakes. Okay, today we are doing Gudetama. He's a very popular character here in Japan. He's like this weird little, funny little egg, super lazy egg character. So, yeah, let's do it. Alright, we're about done with this one. About to wrap it up. Give it the flippity flip. And there we have it, Gudetama. Yeah, so I've been pulled out of my pancake retirement. And so going forward, I will continue to make some pancake videos for you guys. So please let me know what kind of characters you want me to draw for you, my lucky subscribers. And I'll draw them with my pancake making hands. These blessed, gifted hands sent from the gods. Yes, meant to make pancakes.